Okay, this is Xinrao Zhang's mini project number 2, the net. For my code, first I import the turtle, the random, and the mass. For the screen, set turtle, set random, set the background color to the light blue, and the speed for the fastest speed, 0. So the first, I define the first triangle, the size and color, test color. Then the radius of this is the radius of the triangle. Size is this size. This segment is the size. Then first pen up from here. Pen up. Turn left 90 degrees. Forward the radius. Turn right and go back to the half of the size and then pen down. So that small things will come to here. Then for I in range 3, forward size, turn right 120 degrees. For draw a triangle, then still forward half size, then turn left 180 degrees. This will make this circle inside the triangle. So draw a circle, the radius is R. Then the small things is here. Pen up, turn left 90 degrees, forward the radius, and another turn left 90 degrees. This will make these small things point to the right, and then pen down, go back to the center. So this is triangle 1, and for triangle 2, also test color, and this is the radius of the circle. So the first, pen up, turn right 90 degrees, turn right 90 degrees, forward R, turn left, back half the size, pen down, and draw the triangle, forward size, turn left 190 degrees, draw this triangle. Then from here, forward half the size. Then we'll test the circle. The radius is R, pen up, turn left 90 degrees, forward R, turn right 90 degrees, and pen down. We'll go back to the second triangle center. Okay, this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. And I define the distance for the xy, y1, x2, y2. The del x is x2 minus x1, del y is y2 minus y1. Then the distance between them is the square root del x squared plus del y squared. Then return this the result. I define the random walk. This is also the radius of the circle. So the test says they will make that small things point to any random angle, random range from 0 degree to 360 degrees. Then the length of it is the R divided by 6. Then set my position PT is the test pose, and then return this PT. And I need to use it to calculate the distance. Define go back. Yeah, this is test sets the 0 degrees. I mean, whatever the last small things will point to what degrees. I want to test point to the 0 degrees and pen up. Go to the side position to XY. Every time I choose it, then pen down. Okay, so use these Hopper functions to calculate the random walk border. This is also the radius of the circle. Well, I will round it. So the distance from xy and the random walk 0, random walk 1. So this is xy, x1, y1. This is x2, y2. When this is smaller to the radius, it will continue the random walk size. If it's not, if it's bigger than this, it will go back to the set position xy. Okay, and then use this Hopper function to define the first triangle, this triangle, triangle 1 as set it, and the random walk border, triangle 2, and the random walk border. Okay, this is the final code. I define the net, the whole things for the size, color 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also the radius of the circle. Panaf, I will set the start point. Go to the minus 500 and minus 250. This is my start point. Pen down. And for I in range 5, because I want to repeat it 5 times. So first draw the first triangle, size color 1 from the start point plus I times size. This will make it go to the right. The first I times size, and second I times size, third and fourth. And the y direction is not changed, so it's always the negative 250. Then when you finish all the first circle, the small things will be the center of the circle. So I want to pen up, turn left 90, forward 2 times the radius. So it will go from this center to the second triangle center. And then turn right 90 degrees, pen down. So this time the small things will sit in the second circle's center. And then draw the second triangle. Use this. Then these things will make that small thing go to the third triangle center. Go here. And also draw the first triangle because it's they are the same to pending down. So I can use this code the first triangle to draw the third triangle. And then these things will make the small things from the last point go to the fourth triangle's center. And also the fourth triangle is the same as the second triangle, so I draw the second triangle. The color is full. So for the x direction, they are both every time to plus I times size. And for the y direction, the second triangle need to go up 2 times r. And the third triangle need to go up 3 times of r. So from here to here, the y direction is 3 times of r. And the fourth triangle is 5 times of r. From here to here, the y direction is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times of r. So for this one, let's go to the next line. For here, pen off, turn left 90 degrees to point down. And now it's point up. Point up. Then go back 5 times of R. Go back 5 times of R, it will come to here. Then turn right 90 degrees to point to the right. And then, it need to be forward size. Yes, from here, forward size to go here. Then pen down. This whole things for the follow continue 5 times. And then it will gives me something like this. Let me run another times. Okay,